That was real simple. Guys, I swear there was a mountain right there. I swear to God, alright? Guys, through all this mountain range we got over here, pretty much what we saw. Puerto Rico. Wow. There's over 240 species of plants here in just the Yukon. Wow. Now, that one in particular came here in the second voyage with the Spaniards, 1493. Spaniards thought Puerto Rico, back then Borinquen, was pretty much too green, so they added all these seeds. So you see oranges, yellows, see purples, see white. Now that tree, the real name is the tree of Yogrumo. Get tree of Yagrumo. Now here in Puerto Rico, we got a funny name for it. We call it Árbol del Meadito. Any idea what that translates to? Translates to pee-pee tree.
Okay.
The reason we call it pee-pee tree is because the African tulip on the top is pretty much like a bell. But when it's not fully grown, it's pretty much like a caterpillar. And in the middle, it holds water. So the kids used to rip it from the tree and use it as water guns. Here's a funny side. If you had a white shirt, it'll pretty much turn to a yellow hue and had a strong scent of urine. Hence the pee-pee tree. Guys, if you want to take pictures, I'm here for you guys.